Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to book Japan Airlines with miles. First, option 1, American Airlines A Advantage. A one-way flight between the US and Tokyo in economy is about 35,000 A Advantage miles, and you can book directly on the American Airlines website. Just log in, search your route, and redeem your miles. Next, option 2, Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan. You can book Japan Airlines business class for 75,000 Alaska miles per person, plus around $19 in taxes and fees. This booking can be made directly on the Alaska Airlines website. It's one of the best value ways to fly Japan Airlines business class. Next, option 3, Virgin Atlantic Flying Club. With Virgin Miles, a round trip from the West Coast to Tokyo starts at about 45,000 miles in economy. From the Midwest or East Coast, it's higher around 70,000 miles. The good news is you can transfer points to Virgin from Chase, Citi, American Express, Capital One, or Built before booking. And don't forget, when you actually fly on Japan Airlines, you can still earn American Airlines A Advantage miles and loyalty points, depending on your fare class and flight distance. And that's it. That's how to book Japan Airlines with miles. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.